Everything you need to know about Mauritius Underwater Waterfall. A trip to Mauritius wouldn't be complete without a visit to the island's underwater waterfall. There are so many impressive waterfalls around the world, but have you ever seen one submerged in the Indian Ocean? Few people actually know about this unique underwater waterfall, and if you want to add it to your list, you'll need to travel in style as it can only be seen from above. Opt for a stylish seaplane or memorable helicopter ride to this natural phenomenon, whose water flows next to the lush UNESCO-listed Le Morne Brabant Mountain and swooping tropical beaches. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Where is the underwater waterfall? The island's beautiful underwater waterfall lies along the idyllic shores of Le Morne Brabant on the southwest coast of Mauritius. The south coast is known for being the most luxurious part of Mauritius because of its striking white beaches, backed by world-class hotels and majestic mountain landscape. Is it really an underwater waterfall or just an illusion? This underwater waterfall is an extraordinary optical illusion, which can only be viewed from an aerial perspective. The natural phenomenon is created from the variation of different colored sands and reflections of light. How do you see the underwater waterfall? The only way you can see this unbelievable underwater waterfall is via seaplane or helicopter. So if you're keen to tick off this must-see Mauritius attraction from your list, make sure you book your trip ahead of time so you can feel rest assured you've got a guaranteed spot. Can you see the underwater waterfall from Le Morne Brabant Mountain? Yes, you can catch a glimpse of the shape of the island's underwater waterfall by hiking up the gorgeous Le Morne Brabant. Once you reach the top of the 500-meter peak, you'll be met with unspoiled views of the island and colorful coral reef. Seaplane tours. Seaplane tours can be organized via your hotel or with Air Mauritius. They last around 40 minutes and are one of the best ways to view the island's incredible underwater waterfall from above. Helicopter tours. Helicopter tour can be organized through Air Mauritius or via your hotel. The trip lasts for roughly an hour and allows you to sit back, relax and admire the extraordinary beauty of this underwater waterfall. If you think this is good, you'll also have picturesque panoramic aerial views of the majestic Le Morne Mountain, where the Indian Ocean wows with its enchanting emerald green and twinkly turquoise blues. How deep is the underwater waterfall in Mauritius? At first glance, you might not think the island's underwater waterfall is that deep, with the shelf of the Indian Ocean being no deeper than 150 meters below sea level. When is the best time to see the underwater waterfall? The winter months between November-December offer the best visibility to appreciate the island's underwater waterfall, compared to the colder months of July-August, where there'll be more clouds and lower visibility. Make sure you book your trip ahead of time, as seaplane and helicopter tours tend to get especially busy during the island's winter and spring months, so you might not be guaranteed a spot. You can also make the most of great bargains when you plan ahead too. Can you swim in Mauritius Underwater Waterfall? Luckily for you, the underwater waterfall is perfect for swimming. Its dazzling blue waters drawing in people from all over the world. That being said, if you're not a strong swimmer or keen to get your hair wet, you can still appreciate its stunning beauty from above with a seaplane or helicopter ride over the monumental Le Morne Brabant Mountain. What hotels are near the underwater waterfall? There are some excellent 5-star hotels near to the island's underwater waterfall. Some of the most popular being the luxurious Luxe** Le Morne, the recently renovated Paradis Beachcomber Golf Resort and Spa, and exceptional Jado and Marriott Resort. Although you can't physically see the underwater waterfall, knowing you're sharing the same backdrop is still pretty special. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.